beautiful people, today we are having a simple tutorial on abaya, and so guys, it's just going to be very easy. I'd like you to watch to the end. Thank you. Now the first thing we're going to be doing is to take our shoulder measurement, which is 7, plus our sleeve measurement. So it's going to be a cut together sleeve. So sleeve measurement is 15.5. the ½ inch is for our seam allowance. Now the next thing is that we are going to be taking our vertical measurements this way. So the first is from the shoulder to your bust point, which is going to serve as our chest line. From that shoulder to our waist, which is going to be 16.5. Okay, then from our shoulder down to the hip line, 26 inches, then to the length, which is 57 plus 2 inches for the 57 plus 2 inches for the hemming allowance. So guys, now we are going to be ruling. So it's going to be a very clear line. And then so let me show you all that we have done from the shoulder to the chest line, from shoulder to the waist, from shoulder to the hip line, and from shoulder to the length. So guys, now we are going to be inserting our circumferences. Now note, all the circumferences we are going to be adding about 3 to 4 inches. That's going to be for our ease allowance. So place this measurement down here. You can decide to make it a pencil down there, but I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to use that. So we are going to be connecting all our measurements. Okay, and this. Can we all see the shape? So now, to the sleeve, I'm just going to be using the sleeve. So for the width of the sleeve, I'm using 10 inch. So we are just going to shape. Can we see that? I'm just going to shape it this way. It's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. In order to avoid pointy edges there. So guys, the next thing is that we are going to be doing our neck width. So the back neck width is 1 inch by 3.5 width. The neck width is going to be 3.5, that's 3.5. The back neck width is going to be 1 inch. Okay, Okay guys, so then sew the slope. Now we are going to cut the back first. Okay. So guys, here it is rather. Then this is the front and the back. Now we have cut out the back neck width. We are just going to remove it so that we would cut the front piece. Making the slit. I'm just going to be making it 20 or let's say 18 inches 18 inches 18 inches long. So then we cut this out. So guys, I joined it by half an inch on the shoulder line. So next thing is that I'm going to be cutting my lace. So there's going to be a lace at the sleeve area to complete our sleeve measurement. So this is 15 inches already. Now this is going to be helping us complete what we have left. So it's a sleeve of 25. I'm cutting this for the sleeve. This is going to be for the sleeve. So this is on fold. I folded into 4. So that's 18 inches for one sleeve, another 18 inches for another sleeve. So 9 plus half inch joining allowance, and then we already have about 15 inches and we need 25. So I'm going to make this 10 inches. So plus 1, making it 11. one end, one sleeve. I'm just going to right side facing right side, this way. Then I'll join round. So guys, I've joined this lace to the sleeve, and then for us now is to take the front opening measurement. I'm going to take the measurement like so, this way, all through, and cut out a strip to turn it. Okay, so 138 is my strip. I'll be cutting 138 plus about 6 inches to 8 inches, so that because it's a stretchy, it's a bit stretchy, so I'm going to be adding about 6 to 8 inches to it, so that if there's going to be any form of shortage, it won't be from the strip. So it's going to be that simple. So guys, I have cut a strip, of 4 inch, so I'm just going to be folding it this way and attach it around. Here it is. Here it is. I'm just going to go ahead to attach it this way, right side facing right side, this way. And I'm going to make it round. So guys, here is the outcome. Almost done with it. I just joined it, then I top stitched on it. Alright, so we are almost there.